What if you could get 10 new clients for your agency in the next 30 to 60 days that pay you anywhere from $200 to $700 per month? And even better, what if you had a step-by-step roadmap of exactly what you needed to do every day to get those clients? Well, this client getting roadmap is something I wish I had when I first started my own digital marketing agency over 3 years ago, and I'm going to share it with you in this video for free. But I'm not just going to share one single method for getting clients because everybody's different and prefers different ways to reach out to businesses. So instead, I'm going to share 8 different methods that I've found work firsthand, and you can decide which ones match your style and personalities the best. But before we dive into these client getting methods, we need to have an offer that makes outreach as easy as possible, something that business owners would feel stupid saying no to. And this is where we can use a method that I like to call the value first method. This is where you create something of value for your prospect before you even reach out to them. Some examples of this could be a beautifully already built website for them, an ad that's ready to launch and capture leads for them, a free marketing audit, or it could even be a gift that you want to give to them, like a box of donuts to show them that you care about them. In my agency, for example, I offer already built websites to my potential prospects, and I'll ask if I can show it to them on a quick Zoom call. But I don't actually build every single prospect that I reach out to a new website. I use pre-built website templates from a software called GoHighLevel. I change them slightly to match the business, and then I show it to them once they agree to a Zoom call. This value first method is extremely important nowadays because businesses are always getting hit up by tons of people trying to sell them stuff, and using this will help you stand out among the crowd. So now you know how to approach businesses with the value first method, but next I'll cover the 8 outreach strategies that will land you paying clients guaranteed. I'll show you the scripts that I use for each of these and the amount of it you'll need to do to get 10 agency clients and how much each of these strategies cost, if anything at all. And as I go through them, each of these outreach strategies will get more and more effective for getting clients. This first one has been tried and true for many decades, and that would be cold calling. The script I use for cold calling, I actually stole from a billion-dollar software company who has thousands of sales reps who cold call every single day. And the script goes like this. Hey Abby, this is Jasper from WebJuice. How are you? The reason I'm calling is because I built y'all a new smart website for your landscaping business and wanted to show it to y'all. Are you the one in charge of the marketing stuff, or is that somebody else? Perfect. We work with other landscaping businesses like yours to help them get more customers through our smart websites. Would you be available to check out the website we built for you over a really quick Zoom call? I can shoot over a link to you right now. Awesome. Be on the lookout for the Zoom link to your phone number and email. And the purpose of the Zoom meeting is just to show you guys the smart website and see if it would benefit y'all and continue the conversation if it's a good fit. If not, we can part ways. Is that cool with you? Cool. Looking forward to chatting with you then. Have a great day. This cold calling script leads with value and it works extremely well for getting booked appointments, but there's a certain number of calls you'll need to make in order to get your 10 paying clients from it. If you make 300 cold calls, you'll get about 60 businesses to pick up the phone. Out of those 60 people you talk to, you'll book about 6 appointments. From those 6 booked appointments, around 3 of them will show up to the Zoom call. And from those 3 Zoom calls, you'll close 1 client. That means in order to get 10 paying clients through cold calling, you'll need to make around 3,000 cold calls. That will take you around 30 days to do if you're making 100 cold calls per day. I know 3,000 cold calls might sound like a big number, but for me personally, I like to know the exact amounts of calls I need to make in order to get a certain result. It makes it easy to set goals and just take action and know that in the end, it's all just a numbers game and that I'm in full control of it. The next effective outreach method you can use is DMs. This could be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. But instead of just sending DMs to a business, you should either comment on their recent post first or respond to their Instagram, Facebook story. And then you can follow up with a solid script like this. Hey, name, I built you a new website for your niche business and wanted to see if I could send it to you. Your offer doesn't have to be a website like mine, but make sure you're offering value first. If they reply back with a yes, then send them a Loom video link of you showing the thing that you had already built for them, in my case, the website. That way you're not spending time making a Loom video for everyone you reach out to. You'll only be making a Loom video for the people that show some interest first. In order to land 1 client using DMs, you'll need to send about 500 DMs total. And if you want to land 10 clients, you'll have to send 5,000 DMs. And this can take some time because platforms like Instagram and Facebook will limit you to around 100 cold DMs per day. So it'll take you about 50 days to land your 10 clients just using cold DMs. But the nice part about DMs is that they're free to send, so it doesn't cost any money to use this method. But pro tip, just make sure your social media page that you're sending these DMs from is your personal page and that you have some good posts about like your life, family, friends, etc. The next outreach strategy that works well for me is cold email. Cold email is really just a numbers game. You have to send about 10,000 of them in order to get one paying client. I usually hire a guy from Fiverr. I'll link him down below this video. He scrapes leads for me. Then I'll plug these leads into a software called Instantly, which is a platform specifically built for cold email. And you'll want to create campaigns that send about 4 to 5 emails to each lead over a 2-week period. But I found one email subject line and script that works the best for converting, and it's as follows. Subject line is new website for, and then the name of their business. And then the body says, hey, business name, I built you a new website for your niche business and I wanted to show it to you. It will definitely give you the best looking site in the city that they're in. It's a smart website, and so it'll help you guys capture more leads, rank above your competitors, and nurture leads and save time with AI and automation. Is it cool if I send you the link to check it out and then sign off with your name? This script works well, and it'll get people to positively reply with a yes to checking out the website you built for them or whatever else you built for them. And then I'll send them a Loom video showing them through the site and how it'll help their business and try to get them to book a call. I'll even combine these cold emails with cold calls once they say yes to my initial email, which will just help me convert them even easier. The cost to use Instantly is around $150 a month, and that will allow you to send about 50,000 cold emails per month. So to send 100,000 emails and land your 10 agency clients, it'll take you about 2 months to do that. But the nice part is that the emails will send on autopilot. So once you get the campaign set up, you can combine this with other outreach methods like cold calling or cold DMing. So it's pretty hands off. The next outreach method that's been effective for myself and others is sending text messages to businesses. Similar to cold email, I'll hire a guy on Fiverr to scrape businesses' phone numbers, and then I'll plug them into GoHighLevel. Then inside of GoHighLevel, you can send bulk text messages to these businesses, up to 5,000 of them per day. Although you can send that many, I only recommend sending them in quantities of 500 per day because you'll get quite a few people responding back to you, and you also don't want your number to get flagged and shut down. And you can use a text message script like this to find interested business owners. Hey, my name's Jasper and I built you guys a website for your niche business. It will definitely give you all the best looking website in city and help you capture more customers for your business. Is it cool if I send it to you to check it out? This is similar to our cold emailing and DM script, but it is very powerful because business owners never miss text messages to their phone. When people reply back yes, that they want to see the site, then you can send them a Loom video showing them the site or whatever else it is that you put together for them. And if you want to convert them even better, you can just give them a call once you've sent them the site and introduce yourself and try to book them in on a Zoom call over the phone. Overall, it'll take about 1,500 text messages to land one client, or 15,000 if you want to land 10 clients. And at 500 texts per day, which I do recommend, it'll take about 30 days to land your 10 clients. Sending bulk text messages with any platform will cost money though. I recommend GoHighLevel for sending these, but sending about 500 texts per day in the US will cost $10 to $15 per day depending on how long the text messages are. But overall, it's still a small price to pay to land 10 clients in just 30 days. The next outreach strategy that's very effective for landing clients is walk-ins. This is where you drive to a business, walk in, and pitch them on the spot in person. This works even better if you use the value first method and already have something that you've made for them when you go to walk in. Or you could also just bring them a gift like a box of donuts or cookies as a for sure in to talk to the business owner. I actually used to do door-to-door solar panel sales for 2 years, and I still believe face-to-face sales is the most effective way to sell somebody something. It's harder for them to say no than a DM or a cold call, and it helps build instant connection because you can literally shake their hand face-to-face. The basic pitch you could use for cold walk-ins is as follows. Hey, my name's Jasper and I've driven past your business like 100 times. I live over in the city not too far from here. I own a digital marketing agency and I help niche businesses through building them smart websites that capture leads, rank high on Google, and save you time with AI and automation. I noticed y'all didn't have a website, or your current one was a little bit outdated, so I actually put one together for you on my laptop right here. Is it cool if I show it to you guys really quick? This pitch works extremely well because you're incorporating face-to-face sales with the value first method, and almost every business will at least give you a few minutes to show them what you've built for them. And if you bring them a gift or a treat, then they'll feel even more obligated to buy from you. It typically takes about 20 cold walk-ins to land one paying client, so you'll need about 200 in total to get 10 clients. So if you just did 10 walk-ins per day, it would take you about 20 days to land 10 clients using this method. And this method can be free, or it can cost some money if you want to bring a gift to every business that you visit. But if you bring gifts, you will convert more of them and into clients, so it would be worth spending just $10 per business to grab them some crumble cookies or something beforehand. Now that we've covered the cold outreach strategies, the next few methods I'll show you I would consider more high leverage and will attract clients to you with no cold outreach required. The first one that has worked really well recently for some of my students are Facebook ads. In their actual ad, they'll film a video of themselves in front of a well-known landmark in their area, like a water tower or a building, and then they'll pitch their offer to the local businesses in that area. This type of ad works well because it creates an immediate connection and just trust, because it shows the businesses that you're from that same area. And the ROI on these ads is really good. Each lead costs about $20 and you can get one paying client for every 15 leads that you get. So all in all, you'll spend about $300 to get one paying client, or $3,000 to get 10 clients, which is a killer ROI. And you can accomplish this within the space of 30 days or less, depending on how much you want to spend per day on your Facebook ad budget. The next high leverage client getting method, and one of my personal favorites, is Facebook group posting. This is where you join local town talk Facebook groups in your area and you post something like this: for my town business owners, do you or anyone you know need a free website, no strings attached? All I ask for in return is a positive testimonial if you like the website we build for you. Comment below or PM me if you or someone you know could benefit from this. Every time I've used this method, I've gotten over 20 people commenting on the post. I'll then pick one of them to build the free website like I promised, but I'll have over 20 plus other businesses that have raised their hands saying, I am interested in your services. So I'll DM each one and say, I saw your comment on my post in the town Facebook group. Unfortunately, I already chose another business for my free website, but since you commented on my post, I'd be happy to give you a huge discount on a new website if you're still interested. So that's the DM script that I use, and I'll usually land one paying client every time I make this post in a Facebook group. So if you make a post like this 10 times between different local town groups in your area, you can land 10 paying clients just like that. Now you know the top most effective lead getting strategies for your agency, but there's one more method that's my personal favorite and has gotten me more clients than anything else. And that method is none other than content creation. Imagine if you could sit behind your phone or your camera, record a 30 to 60 second video, post it on social media, and get clients reaching out to you directly. This is exactly what posting on social media does. Now, this isn't something that will get you results immediately, but if you create helpful content for businesses you're trying to attract, they'll start viewing you as an authority and they'll reach out to you when they need marketing help. It will take some months, posting a few times per week, but if you stay consistent, you can realistically see 10 paying clients coming in every month from the videos that you post. And these businesses are way easier to close as clients because they have already seen your videos and already know, like, and trust you. I found that for every 500,000 short form video views I get with Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, I'll land about 10 paying clients. And with long form YouTube content, I only need around 50,000 views to get those 10 paying clients. So in my opinion, it's good to do a mix of short form and long form videos so you can show your face and help more people across multiple platforms. It's literally as simple as giving free digital marketing tips or making how-to videos on different digital marketing related topics. The business owners will see it, they'll realize they're too busy to implement it, and they'll reach out to you to do it for them. And the cool part is, growing your social media presence can be paired with the other outreach methods that I've shared in this video, so you can get clients quick with outreach, and then you can build a long-term brand that eventually attracts clients to you. All that being said, if you're starting an agency and you want a bunch of free resources and my 7-hour training on setting up and growing a successful agency, then join my HighLevel Quest community down below.